We're back here on online, and we still have with us Mr. Philippe Reveilhac, the country president of Schneider Electric. Okay, Philippe, this time we're going to talk about APC by Schneider Electric. We'd like to know, Schneider Electric actually acquired APC. Why did you choose to acquire APC?
In fact, Schneider Electric has firstly acquired NG UPS system in 2005, which was also part of Schneider Electric before, in 1996. And the policy of Schneider Electric is always to be on the top 3 manufacturers in the activity they decide to manage. And acquiring APC positioned it as the first provider of UPSs of the world. So it was really important for us to develop this business, to empower this business. That's why we have created this business unit, which is IT business unit, including APC and NG.
You know, there are some who you were saying that one of the reasons why Schneider Electric acquired APC is to be able to penetrate the retail market or the consumer market. Is this a valid observation?
Yes. Yes, when we acquire APC, of course, we leverage our activity with the retail market and home office market because it's really the strong point of APC. The offer of APC was really complementary with the one from NG UPS system. So it allows us to provide to the market the wide range of solutions for UPS.
Okay. Well, how does APC evolve after the acquisition now?
Well, APC has been continuing the growth inside of Schneider Electric with excellent results. We did the integration with the MG UPS system, so we created this entity, IT business entity, which is #1 in the world and very successful.
Recently, APC announced a white paper entitled Allocating Data Center Energy Costs and Carbon to IT Users. Simply put, it suggests that it's a no-cost model-based approach to energy management. No-cost approach or model. Can you tell us briefly what is this all about, and is it really possible, a no-cost approach? I mean, so aside from the products, changes should be done in as far as people on how to use their devices. Is that something that APC is saying?
Yes, well, it's also part of the education. When we speak about saving energy, of course, if everybody would turn off the light when they are leaving a room, we wouldn't create this detector of movement. People are not educated to do that, and it's not coming naturally most of the time. So that's why we have created such solution to help and to support.
Yeah, this is the motion detection technology I get.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is, if let's say I leave my house and I forgot to turn off my light, if there's no movement, the light will automatically turn off. Wow, okay, that's great.
So you will not forget to turn off anymore.
That's great, that's great. I would like to ask you, what are the challenges facing the owners and users of data centers as they come to terms with new technologies that deliver better value to business? Okay, so what are the challenges these users are facing right now?
There is a booming activity which is data center or BPOs also. The main challenges are, of course, to reduce the cost of this data center, to make sure that they can stock data in a minimum surface, minimum volume, because most of the time these data centers are implemented in the city. So of course, if you can reduce the footprint, you can save more data. And when I say reduce the cost, it's also manufacturing cost for this data center and using cost, how much it costs to maintain this data center.
How much is the contribution of this? I mean, as far as the temperature is concerned?
Well, the temperature for data center is really important. Like a computer, like any server, all the electronic components work longer time if they are maintained at a normal temperature. If they are overheating, first of all, they can burn, and then you stop your activity. That's why you have fans, that's why you have cooling in a data center. So first of all, it's necessary to allow the data center to run. Secondly, it's necessary if you want to make sure that it will run for a long time. APC has developed a complete solution of cooling. It's very important in data center.
Yeah, there was one press conference that I attended, and as far as APC is concerned, wherein part of your services or part of your support actually is you visit actually the place And if I'm not mistaken, you compute the number of servers and the number of air conditioning units that will be needed in the data center.
Exactly. We do in fact simulation. We create the layout, the implementation of devices. We can also simulate the flow of the air, hot air and cold air, how it's circulating, and in such case to make sure that we are getting the best efficiency.
So this is not something just, you know, having a room, putting the servers there and putting an air condition, not as simple as that.
No, it would be good, but unfortunately if we want to get the best efficiency, the best result at the best cost, it needs some survey, some calculation, and that's what we are doing.
And to make sure that the servers are up and running 24/7, I guess.
Yes, because the data center usually never stops.
Yes, make it available anytime. Right. Okay, Schneider Electric and APC are companies that are known to practice what they preach. Okay, so I would like to know, in as far as your local office is concerned, what changes have you implemented here to conform with the goals that you have?
We have one important program which is called One program to make sure that in every country we have one entity, one organization, one face in front of the customer. So that's part of this program, to say IT business, power business unit, energy business unit, industry should move to one office, should work together, should leverage some synergies to make sure that we provide to our customers the complete offer and the best offer to the market.
Okay. So far, how do you find the new office?
Perfect. It's a big change, big
change.
positive change.
Yeah. When we come back, we'll know more about Mr. Philippe Reveilhac, so don't go away. What are the challenges that you are facing in as far as heading this company is concerned?